is Dr.Sudarsan Ray, a psychiatrist, welcoming you to this presentation on how to keep yourself mentally fit during the COVID-19 lockdown period. Now, one thing about the COVID-19 lockdown period is that due to the seemingly threat of an future, uncertain future basically most of us perhaps a bit pessimistic about. We are suffering from anxiety and depression to a very large extent. Now, we are social animals, but over here, since we are not able to interact, and for the correct reasons also, uh, maintaining the physical distancing, uh, we are avoiding gatherings, and which is, of course, the correct procedure to follow to stop the continuation of this pandemic. What happens is that what is happening is that the adda sessions, the sessions of gossiping and the chit chat. I'm talking about the offline ones, not the Facebook and the WhatsApp chats. Uh, those are missing. The human touch, the fact, the presence, the reality, the actual reality is absent, and in virtual reality, the emotional hunger, as I said in my earlier presentation, cannot be, satisfied. So, what do you have to do? I mean, uh, in order to decrease the frustration, in order to sort of ventilate our feelings, in order to share joys, in order to share a pain, what you have to do is that you should regularly speak to your family members or your friends over the phone, or even meeting them, maintaining physical distance. And you should actually, if you're feeling depressed, if you're feeling sad, if you're feeling tensed, if you're feeling melancholic, you share, you tell them that, now I'm feeling a bit depressed. I do not know when the office is going to open, and when this work from home is going to stop, and when I'm going to able to physically attend the office. Now, obviously, during COVID, what has happened is that the companies have actually, especially those in the IT sector, they are looking towards more work from home even after this pandemic, the epidemic is over, and Corona-19 infection it comes to be accepted, like the tuberculosis and HIV infection, and does not cause social stigma as such. Even then, the companies are thinking of working from home. The jargon going around is that this is the new normal. But how do you define the new normal? As I said, that normality is something which does not affect your own life, your daily life schedule. It does not disturb your peace. Okay, it helps you to carry out your daily work as you have been doing. Anything which disrupts your daily harmony in life is something which is abnormal to you. Now, new normal may be, the definition of new normal, the parameters of new normal may be something to me, and it may be, it is definitely something else to you. I mean, what is normal to me may not be normal to you, and what is abnormal to you may not be abnormal to me. So, what is the new normal? So, what you have to do is that you have to accept, you have to practice the concept of the mindfulness. Okay, you have to accept, you have to accept the reality rather than constant denial of feelings that okay, we are very much okay, and everything is honky dory, we are fine. Now, there's no need to deny your inner feelings. Rather than you accept the reality. Yes, you are tensed. Yes, you are depressed. Yes, you are feeling melancholic. You are feeling demotivated, or even if you are feeling suicidal, you accept it. You accept it. Then you experience the feeling which comes out of it. You experience the feeling. Once you accept, you experience the feeling which comes out of it, and you see, once you learn to accept and not to resist the real feelings, then after a few sessions, I mean, which you'll be having with yourself only, not a mental health professional as such, then you see the the pain caused by that reality will actually decrease. The pain caused by the stress caused by the reality will decrease, because you have learned to accept. And in the next phase, you are accepting the reality, and you're not resisting it, so you'll be adapting to it also. Mentally you'll be adapting to it also, and when you are adapting to it mentally, naturally, it will cause much less stress, and this will lead to habituation, desensitization, and basically the thing, the incidences, the statistics which are coming out regarding so many COVID cases and so many deaths and all, you learn to accept it, and that is the new normal. So the new normal is acceptance of reality and adapting to it. Nothing special, no special exercises are required. You just accept the reality. You do not resist the reality. You feel the reality, and naturally this will lead to desensitization, and this will lead to adaptability, and that is the new normal. Remember that. Thank you very much. If you like my videos, do share and do post your comments. Thank you very much.